So, hey
You
guys,
want me to start?
Zuriel went out with me to cut some flowers, and this is the last of our yellow marigolds. They were
Nice.
beautiful. Again, we grew them from seed in the seed starter, and they became this giant bush. And
Okay,
I've been able to collect all through the summer and fill our vases
we collect
inside the
them to bring
house.
them
And
inside
this is
and
going
put
to
them
be
in
probably one of the
vases.
last harvests.
You
So
love them?
just bear with us. We're
Get it.
just gardening, fall gardening. I'm going to continue with Psalm 119 today, and I think I should finish it. That'll be the last of that.
Yes,
Please
they're all in the
enjoy.
dice.
Psalm 119, verse 153. Consider my affliction and rescue me, for I have not forgotten your instruction. Defend my cause and redeem me. Give me life as you promised. Salvation is far from the wicked because they do not seek your statutes. Your compassions are many, Lord. Give me life according to your judgments. My persecutors and foes are many. I have not turned from your decrees. I have seen the disloyal and feel disgust because they do not keep your word. Consider how I love your precepts. Lord, give me life according to your faithful love. The entirety of your word is truth, and all your righteous judgments endure forever. Princes have persecuted me without cause, but my heart fears only your word. I rejoice over your promise, like one who finds vast treasure. I hate and abhor falsehood, but I love your instruction. I praise you 7 times a day for your righteous judgments.
It's also
Abundant
snowing.
peace belongs to those who love your instruction. Nothing makes them stumble. Lord, I hope for your salvation
Yes, I'm
and
going to put them
carry
all
out
up.
your commands. I obey your decrees and love them greatly. I obey your precepts and decrees, for all my ways are before you. Let my cry reach you, Lord. Give me understanding according to your
I don't
word.
know. What is growing
Let
in
my
there? I'm
plea
not sure.
reach you. Rescue me according to your
We
promise.
don't get that much.
My lips
It's
pour
going to be
out
winter
praise,
soon.
for you teach me your statutes. My
So
tongue
beautiful, these
sings
flowers.
about your
They turned out
promise,
really well.
for all your commands are
Good.
righteous. May your hand be
Oh,
ready to help
what
me,
do you think the
for I
season
have
is going to be
chosen your
now?
precepts. I
Ooh,
long
so
for
we
your
have
salvation,
summer,
Lord, and
fall,
your
and
instruction is my delight.
winter
Let me
comes.
live,
And when
and I
it
will
snows,
praise
it's
you.
winter. Yeah.
May your
Here in
judgments
New
help
York, we've
me.
got the 4
I
seasons.
wander like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I do not forget your commands. Guys, have a great day.